order number 04794, the customer sent us this cool purple PS5 controller. They want to get the Hall Effect joystick modules installed on this device. Hall Effect modules use magnets to track the position of the joystick, and they are not prone to stick drift like those old potentiometer-based Alps joysticks. So we got both of these Hall Effects installed perfectly, and then the customer also opted in for mouse click triggers and bumpers. These mouse click triggers are great for FPS games. And on this controller, you can even see the orange Hall Effects through the purple controller. I think that's pretty cool. It's a nice look on this controller. And let's get this controller plugged into our tester. We can check out these joysticks. The calibration is perfect, and of course the circularity is perfect. And then we can check out the mouse click triggers.